1, we are studying the lesson verb tenses. In the first video, we have studied auxiliary verbs and action verbs. Auxiliary verbs and action verbs are used in the tenses. Now, after that we have also seen all 12 tenses. Now, I'll just explain you what auxiliary verb is used in what tense and what auxiliary verb, what action verb is used in what tense. First one, we are going to see simple tenses. Now, simple tenses, three simple tenses are there: simple present, simple past, simple future. Among these three simple tenses, in simple present and simple future tense, this first form of the verb is used. Simple present form of the action verb is used in two simple tenses, that is simple present and simple future. Now, here do and does is hidden. It is not written directly. It is not written I do play. I play means I do play. Do is hidden, and when it comes out, when we make it negative or when we ask question. So, in short, I just want to tell you, this V1 is used only in simple present and simple future. In simple present, along with no auxiliary verb. No auxiliary verb is used in simple present tense, and in simple future tense it is used with shall or will. So this form is used in simple present and simple future. Simple present no auxiliary verb plus V1, and simple future shall and will plus V1. Now, second form of the verb plus ing. Playing, singing, drawing, jumping, etc. means verb plus ing form. It is used in all continuous tenses. 6 continuous tenses are there, and this form of the verb is used in 6 continuous tenses. For example, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, and present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. In present perfect continuous, in present continuous, it is used with am is are. Means am is are plus verb plus ing is equal to present continuous tense. For example, I am playing, you are singing, etc. Now, when it is used with was and were, it is called past continuous tense. Means when was and were plus this ing form is there, it is called past continuous tense. Now, future continuous tense, shall or will plus be plus ing. Means shall be or will be plus this ing form is future continuous tense. Other than this present, past and future continuous tense, this ing form is also used in all perfect continuous tenses along with the auxiliary verb being. Third form of the verb V3 or simple past form of the action verb. Played, sang, drew, jumped, painted, etc. This form is used only and only in one tense, that is simple past tense. This form is used only and only in simple past tense along with no auxiliary verb. Now, past participle form means PP. V4 we call it. Played, sung, drawn, jumped, painted, thrown, etc. This is used in all perfect tenses. All perfect tenses means only 3 perfect tenses are there: present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. In present perfect, it is used with have or has. Means have or has plus pp is equal to your present perfect tense. Had plus pp is equal to your past perfect tense. And shall and will have plus pp is equal to your future perfect tense. In this way, in a very simple way or in a very small chart, we have studied all 12 tenses. How? Once again I will revise it. Simple present tense, simple future tense, it takes simple present form of the verb. Simple present tense no auxiliary verb plus V1, simple future tense shall and will plus V1, and simple past tense no auxiliary verb plus V3. So all 3 simple tenses over. Now, continuous tenses. Am is are plus verb plus ing present continuous, was verb plus ing past continuous, shall be or will be plus verb plus ing is equal to future continuous, and all present perfect continuous tense along with have or has been, this ing form is used. Now past participle form, PP form, it is used in all perfect tenses. Have, has plus PP, present perfect, had plus PP, past perfect, shall have or will have plus PP is equal to future perfect tense. So here in this video I have just explained you that which auxiliary verb and which action verb is used in which tense. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share.